You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names once and for all correctly, a name of French origin. So let's learn the French pronunciation. If you want to learn more pronunciations from French, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you in French. It is pronounced Lisois with a silent S-O-I together in French form the sound wa, as in François, for example. Lisois, Lisois. Now, of course, if it's a name of French origin anywhere else in the world, as a surname, it might be pronounced differently in the UK, in the US. Lisois or Lisois. Who knows? How do you pronounce it yourself? Let us know in the comments, especially if you are or know anybody named Lisois. But Lisois would be how it be pronounced generally in French. Lisois. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.